Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lesson we are going to customize our application with some features of our need. So what we need to do, we're going to add our own icon for our application. As you can see here, if we run our program, this is a default icon that we have. So we are going to add our own icon for our PySide application program that we are designing. So to do that, and what we know, icons are just a small image. As you can see here, icons are just a small images that is created to visualize or emphasize the purpose of our program. The main use of this icon is to emphasize the main purpose of our program. So it is found here at the left hand side of our application of our program. So what we need to do, let us minimize this. On my desktop here, you can see I have three images, as you can see. So I'm opening my folder here, and I'm going to create another folder inside. In this folder, I'm going to call it image, so img. So in this folder image, I'm going to open and I'm going to drag these images that I've downloaded. Okay. I'll attach a link for these images so that you can download it. If you want, you can use other images, but I'm going to put a link. Okay, then let us go back to our Visual Studio Code. So as you can see here, the images that we've added, they are also part of our Visual Studio Code here. They are here now. So what we need to do, we need to put an image on our window. And in order for us to do that, we need to use what we call Qt GUI, because the Qt GUI module, it contains a Qt icon class. This class provides a set of functions that provides scalable icons in different modes. So what we need to do is to go up here, and what we need to say, let us write this command from PySide 6, our library, PySide 6 dot, we need Qt GUI. So inside this Qt GUI, we are going to import our Q icon, as you can see. And I said this Q icon, it provides a set of functions that provides scalable icons in different modes and state. So this will help us to put an icon here on our application, which is well scalable and well fit on our application. So what we need to do after importing this, let us go down here, and here, since this is our title for our application and we have resized our application, we are going to put our icon here. So what we need to do, we need to put our icon as a function. So let us say self dot, let us call the function here. We are going to call it inside our main class. So to call the function, let us call it setIcon. This is the name of the function that we are going to create. Now let us go below here, and below here we are going to create this function that we are calling here. We are going to create this function below here. So let us define the function, and this function we call it setIcon. Okay. Now what we need to do, so set function, let us pass ourself inside. Let us type icon, up icon is equals to up icon, let us put a capital letter I. Yeah, up icon is equal to, let us call our Q icon. Then after doing so, we need now to choose the image that we are going to use. Let us use this image. Download. So to use this image, what we need is to let us just copy the path here. Copy path. So let us come here and paste the path. So this path is too big. Let us cut here. And let us put quotation. And let us close quotation again on this side. So this is our path of our icon. It's inside the image and the download PNG. For us now to visualize our icon, we need to pass to say self dot, let us set it to the window. So set window icon. We are now setting our window icon. So let us pass our variable here, which is icon. So by doing so, it means now when we run our program, the program will call this function here, and we already defined the function here. So let us run our program. Right, as you can see here, we have successfully customized the icon of our application, as you can see here. So this was all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.